everyone, it's Robert Evans, host of The Pixel Show. And with the holidays coming up, we wanted to do something a little different. You know, I thought about it and I was like, I want to give something away. I want to have a contest. So what I did is I went to the magic button and I said, Magic Button, what should we do?
Robert, let's give away 3 Sony Prime lenses to people who are kind.
What a great idea, Magic Button. So I'm officially announcing the Every Pixel Counts kindness giveaway. And all you have to do is be kind. So I want you to be creative. I want you to be random and spontaneous, but most of all, just be kind to someone else. So for the Every Pixel Count giveaway, you just have to be kind. 3 people are gonna win 1 of 3 prime lenses. The contest will run from December 15th to February 15th. And all you have to do is go to our Facebook page and sign up. So what are we gonna give away? Well, as a Sony artisan, I figured I better give away Sony lenses, but they're my favorite and my passion. You know I love Sony. So I decided on 3 lenses, the Sony 50mm 1.8, the Sony 85mm 1.8, and the Sony 35mm 1.8. Now as well, we're gonna do a future show on all 3 lenses and compare these to their brother or sister primes, the 1.4s, the 50-1.4, the 85-1.4 G Master, and the 35-1.4 Sony Zeiss lens. We'll do some comparisons, but I think these 3 lenses for the price are absolutely amazing. So how we're gonna do this is the first lens we'll give away just after Christmas. So you have up until December 24th to post your act of kindness. The 85 then we will give away just after New Year's. So you have until the 1st of the year or January 1, 2020. And then the last lens, the 35, we'll let that one go all the way till February 15th. So you need to have your act of kindness up by 2/12/2020. So here's the 50-1.8, and as a matter of fact, the lens that you're seeing me on right now is shot with that. We use all Sony cameras and equipment to shoot the show. And so you see the depth of field even from my eyes where the camera's focused at 1.8 to, you know, them being out of focus here in the front. But then here's the 85. We also use this on the show. So here's the other camera with the 85. Beautiful, clean lens. Really, when I ordered this and I got this, I was actually shocked and amazed at how beautiful this lens was. So we use this for the tighter shot on the show. And then the last lens is the 35-1.8. Now, I haven't shot this yet, but I'm gonna shoot it real soon. This is a fairly new 1.8 from Sony. And this is the last one that we'll be giving away. But I want you to know, Sony did not give me these lenses. I purchased all these with my own money. It's about $1,500 worth of equipment that I wanted to give away, which is sort of how this contest was born. I wanted to figure out a way, like what kind of thing could I do to give something away? And I thought, well, let's have a kindness contest and see what people do to be kind and let them be creative. And it's just a good opportunity over the holidays, really any time of year, to take the opportunity to be kind to other people, other human beings, animals, what have you. And as an added bonus, our friends over at Peak Design wanted to get involved. So they offered to give me a duffel. Now I own this bag, I want to show it to you. It's right here. This is mine. I've used it 1 or 2 times, but I really love this bag. It's small, kind of for like a smaller travel shoot. They have these little inserts inside that have cutouts in them that you can put your cameras and stuff in here. So I have a medium one and a small one. I really, really love this bag, and I was excited when they wanted to participate. Peak Design is a great company. I started out with them with their camera straps. I love their camera straps. It's the simplest, most brilliant design I've ever seen. I can take my camera straps on and off. You know, I grew up in a time where you had to like weave the little loop through there and take forever. But anyway, I'm excited that Peak Design got involved and they gave this bag for us to give away. So how we're gonna do this is one of the first 50 people will win this bag, and then what we'll do from the first 50 people, we will pick a number between 1 and 50 out of a hat, and whatever that number is the person that's gonna win the bag. That person could also technically win one of the lenses as well. So make sure you're one of the first 50 people to comment and tell us about your random act of kindness. So just to give you a few ideas, if you can't think, I want you to be creative, but the simple things like holding doors for strangers. It doesn't have to be monumentous. You could go down to the food bank and volunteer your time. You could just talk to someone who might look lonely. You could smile at a stranger, or just pay it forward. You always hear that story of someone in line at Starbucks and they pay for the person's coffee behind them, whether you're in the drive-thru or not. Just do something nice. But most importantly, I want you to be creative. I want it to be you, and I want it to come from your heart. So just be kind and do something that you would normally, naturally do anyway. Maybe you're reaching a little bit out to get out of your comfort zone, to talk to a stranger or be nice to a stranger, but use it as an opportunity to challenge yourself to do something nice for someone else. Okay, how do you enter? It's really simple. I figured to make this accessible to most people, we'll use Facebook. So you just need to go to our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/The Pixel Show YT, YT standing for YouTube because we are a YouTube show. And you go there and you click on the page and then find the picture that says Be Kind. There'll be a post, obviously, about the contest, and we'll put more information there as well. And all you have to do is go on there and in the comments, write what you did. So go to the page, find the comment section, and then write probably 3 to 4 sentences more if you want to tell us what you did and what your act of kindness was. And most importantly, how it made you feel and how it made the other person feel. There was a person involved. Now, I have here where add a photo. If you can add a photo of your act of kindness or the place that you did it, great. I would love to see that. But if you just want to add any photo because you don't have the opportunity, I realize you're not going to be able to take a photo of that, that's great too. Send me your favorite photo, put that up there. But the most important thing is describing your act of kindness and then how it made you feel, and include the hashtag Every Pixel Counts and the Pixel Show YT. But again, this is a reason for you to be kind. So be the reason that you make someone smile. And finally, this isn't mandatory to join the contest, but we would love it, obviously, if you would subscribe and follow our channel and like it. Tell your friends about it. You can also follow us on Instagram at The Pixel Show. You can also follow us on Twitter at The Pixel Show YT. But again, to enter the contest, all you need to do is go to our Facebook page, The Pixel Show YT, and comment and tell us about your act of kindness. So I am really looking forward to see what you guys come up with. Obviously, we've never done this before, and if it goes well, I want to do it every year. We'll start it a little bit earlier, probably around Thanksgiving, but I'm really excited to see what you come up with. It's even challenged me since I've been thinking about the idea to do nice things. I mean, I try to do it all the time, but I find myself now thinking, what else can I do? I just flew home from a job and I helped like 2 different people put their luggage in the overhead. It just cues your mind to like want to do nice things. And it really makes me, I felt good for doing it. Of course the people thank me, but that's not why I did it. I just did it to be nice and to be helpful. We live in a world where there's so much negativity. So hopefully, even the handful of us can like spread a little love and joy over the holidays and then keep that mindset throughout the year. Be sure to head over to our Facebook page, do something kind, and let us know what you've done. I'm Robert Evans. I'm your host of The Pixel Show, and have a great day.